be doing unboxing of the Breville Juice Fountain Pole XL. This is the model. Let's get started. Let's see what's inside. Okay. What's that? Is this a menu? That's menu, and this is recipe, I think. Yep, it has the top juice recipes. Stainless steel one. They have two colors in this model. I think the other one is the black base, I think, not stainless steel. So the stainless steel one is a little bit dearer, not much, but about $40–50. This is a pop collector, I think. Yeah. What is this? A brush. And then this is the actual unit. This jug is the juice for juice, and I think this one go where? Where does this one go? This one goes under there, and there we go. Doesn't it look amazing? It's beautiful, isn't it? Let's start the journey to a healthy juice life.